Hello, this is Eric Hamilton from Yahoo Advertising Professional Services, and today we are going to do an overview of Yahoo Web Analytics reporting. So let's start off with a deck on Yahoo Web Analytics reporting. So for our agenda, we're going to talk about what is Yahoo Web Analytics, go through reporting interface, calendar, dashboard, specific reports, and then talk about schedule email reports. So what is Yahoo Web Analytics? Yahoo Web Analytics is an enterprise-level analytics tool that enables real-time insight into visitor behavior on your website. Yahoo Web Analytics was formerly known as Index Tools. And some of the features are an executive dashboard, live cost analysis, and advanced path analysis, among other features. The reporting interface is displayed here with the navigation tabs, project selector, calendar, report menus, graph, and below we have report details. Again, the navigation tab, calendar, report toolbar, the report menus, graph, and the report details are all a part of the reporting interface. The calendar allows you to select based on day, week, month, or year. And the dashboards are customizable by simply going to Report, Dashboard, and Manage Dashboard. You can add or manage an existing dashboard. And this is another screenshot of our dashboards. So let's get into more of the reports and the type of reports that are available in Yahoo Web Analytics. Page views are simply a metric that shows the number of times your website was viewed during a given time period. Visits, it's a metric that indicates the total number of visits to your website during a selected time period. Last visitor detail presents detailed information on visitors as they visit your website. First time visit, pretty much self-explanatory, and returning visits are two of the other traffic reports. There's a report that compares first-time visits versus returning visits. And then the top browsing hours. There's also a report that reports on most active server hours. And then there's the visit report, which simply shows the number of individual people who visited your website during the selected time period. Sales reports. This report simply summarizes the sales performance of your website for the selected time period, listing the revenue earned and the average order value. There's a merchandising report that identifies how well your individual products are converting. There's a campaign report this report simply shows the campaigns that referred visits to your website by intelligent traffic attribution. There's the search engines and refers report, and this report shows the search engines that directly referred visits to your website. There's a conversion report that lists all action occurrences and corresponding conversion rates for the selected period. The internal search report shows the search phrases that were used when performing an internal search on your website. There are various demographics reports, which range from languages, organizations, all the way down to CBSA and CSA reports. So let's go into that a little bit. The language, of course, is the language, meaning language spoken. And if you find that, I guess a tip here would be if you find that a large percentage of your visitors speak a language other than your own, then you may want to change your strategy for your website. The organization report displays visitors, their host domains, showing which ISP, the internet service providers, shows which internet service providers bring you the most traffic. We have the country report, which is pretty much self-explanatory, which country your visitors are coming from. We also have the CBSA report, and this report displays a breakdown of your visitors according to the core-based statistical area that they come from. And the core-based statistical area, as defined by the U.S. Census Bureau, refers collectively to a metropolitan with a population greater than 50,000 people. The CSA report displays the breakdown of your visitors according to the consolidated statistical area that they come from. Also, we have the pages most requested by URL report, and this report shows which pages are the most popular by your visitors by displaying the following metrics: the page views, the percentage of page views, and average time on the page. And this information can be helpful when you optimize your navigation and sell your advertising space. It allows you to sell your advertising space more effectively. Another report that's available is our pages most requested by title, visits by document group. This report shows the number of visits to the document group on your website during the selected period. And you can create document groups for any sections of your website. And a document group is simply a number of pages grouped together for reporting purposes. The direct report shows your website's directories ranked by the number of page views and the percentage of page views. Downloads by file name report shows the number of times specific files were downloaded from your website during the selected period. The entry report displays the most popular entry pages of your website. The bounce rate report is the percentage of entries on each of your website that resulted in an exit from that page without getting any deeper into the site. It's a very important report. The exit report simply shows the last page of visit or viewed that was visited or viewed before leaving your website. The path analysis report shows the most popular paths your visitors pursue through your website. The scenario analysis report shows you the number of visits for each of your predefined scenarios and the percentage of visits for each scenario. Page depth report shows the average number of clicks a visitor uses to get to each page. Time spent on site report shows the duration of the visits to your site and the average time on your site. And the pages per visit report just simply shows the number of pages your visitors viewed during a visit. And then the system reports. So we can report on the browsers, the type of browsers that a visitor uses, whether or not the visitors have JavaScript support enabled on their system. We can report on the operating systems that they're using. We can report on the connection type, whether it be a dial-up, DSL, cable, T1 connection. And also we can report on whether or not they have Flash support enabled. Bookmarks. So with bookmarks, this screen just shows, it's a screenshot of your saved bookmarks, and you can edit and add and remove bookmarks as you see fit. Email reports. So Yahoo Web Analytics allows you to schedule email delivered reports in the following formats. You can have HTML reports, Microsoft Excel, and comma separated value reports. And that's pretty much about it. So for more information on Yahoo Web Analytics, please visit us at web.analytics.yahoo.com. And I thank you for your time, and you have a great day. Bye-bye now.